Hello everyone, how are you today and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy organic cabbage salad. And what's so special about it, it's real organic and all hand-picked from my garden. So from this lovely green cabbage into this colorful cherry tomato and a yellow bell tomatoes, fresh mint, and of course won't be completed without a fresh carrot as well. And make sure you wash them very well and ready to be chopped. So let's begin with the green cabbage first. Slice the cabbage in half. Let's get rid of the core here. Cut in half again, and we're gonna slice it so pretty much it's gonna be shaved. So the thinner the better it is for the salad. Almost done. Here we go. Now very important to put it all in a bowl, and you're gonna massage it a little bit and let it rest for a few minutes before you put the dressing and the rest of the vegetables. So you can do it with your hand or with the tongs. Just massage the cabbage. Cabbage and kale, always you have to massage it. Now let's start making the dressing. So a couple of cloves of garlic goes in, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna mince the garlic first. Pretty much that's what we need. Lemon juice. Of course, olive oil. You mix it a little bit and you put it on the side, and we start cutting the vegetables. So now let's start chopping the vegetables. Let me start with the carrot first. Get rid of the ends. Carrot ready. Now the tomatoes, which is I have here the yellow bell tomato. Slice it in quarters, and the burgundy tomato as well, just cut into quarters. And look at that beautiful colorful tomato. So fresh mint, rough chop, and now ready to put everything together and enjoy our salad. So pretty much we're gonna put everything inside the bowl. The lemon and garlic dressings, and I'm gonna add some dry mint as well, salt and pepper, and time to mix everything together. Oh my god, smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. And pretty much this one here is it's a Lebanese style. Yum, looks so good. Now the moment of the truth. Wow, that's a good salad. Organic cabbage salad, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.